this is the Redragon K552 Kumara keyboard. I'm going to review it. So, basically, first we have the keycaps. So, the keycaps are pretty good. As you can see, they're actually, this is a mechanical keyboard because they're switches. So as you can see, it's a mechanical keyboard, and that's how it sounds like with the keycap on, and this is how it sounds without it. Again, so basically, this keyboard is not a complete keyboard for I have other keyboards that are complete, but this isn't. So here's a sound test. So it's a pretty good keyboard. If I were to hit it pretty hard, it would be like. So it's a pretty good keyboard. Also, but here's some. So here are the pros. It has a really nice sound. It also is pretty good for typing, but it's very sensitive, and that's a con, because it really is easy to type something by accident, and I don't like that. So another pro is that it has lights, which I'll show at the end of the video when I do the typing test, and so you can change the lighting too. Another cool thing is that you can, as you can see here, there are some kind of switches at the bottom where you can adjust the keyboard. So let's try those. Okay, as you can see, this is what it looks like normally, so we'll just keep it like that. And this is what it looks like when the switches are up. And I guess you can, in theory, adjust them more, so I will do that. So basically, this is what it looks like at its tallest when they're up even more, but the switches aren't as steady there. But anyway, as you can see here, this is a very good keyboard for if you want to just play something like Nitro type where you don't have to press backspace. But for doing schoolwork, I wouldn't recommend this. And now for the coolest part, the lights. So this is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, with its lights. It's really cool. I really love it a lot. I can show that again if you want, because it's extremely cool. So anyway, now here is a keyboard test. And here are the changeable lights. So we have this option, this option, this option, this option, this option, this option. So as you can see here, these are pretty cool options. We have like 9 or 10, so like 12 options. So I'll go. So we have up to 9. So and then 9. So now, so as you can see here, now we have some more. To make it go back to normal, we're going to press function, and then we're going to press the page up button. Now, to do the coolest of all, we're going to go to this. As you can see, if we press that a few times, it does that. This is a really cool function because it is literally the lights scrolling. I like this keyboard a lot, and I think it's really cool. Thank you all so much for watching. I enjoyed making this video a lot. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.